begin, in your preferred browser, navigate to https://csuohio-my.sharepoint.com. Sign in with your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and your campus password. Once logged into the web version of OneDrive, we recommend using folders to organize your Zoom recording files. Select the plus new button, and in the drop-down menu, select Folder. The Create a Folder box should pop up in the middle of your screen. We need to create a title for our folder. We will call our folder Zoom Recordings. Now that we have a title for our folder, let's go ahead and click Create. Now we should see our new Zoom Recordings folder under the My Files section. To keep our Zoom files organized, we're going to click into our Zoom Recordings folder. Now any files we upload will go directly into this folder. To upload new Zoom files, we're going to go to the top of the screen and select Upload, and in the drop-down menu, select Files. Most often, your Zoom files will end up in your Downloads folder. So here we can see I have my Zoom test file folder. We're going to go ahead and click that. And in the folder, I have a number of different files. I have a .m4a file, which contains the audio from my Zoom call. And last, I have a .mp4 file, which contains the video from my Zoom call. We can select each of these files individually if for whatever reason you only need to upload one file, but we want to make sure we upload all of these files for this example. So what I'm going to do is make sure one of my files is selected, and on my keyboard, I'm going to select at the same time Command plus A, which will select all the files in my folder. Once I do this, I'm going to navigate to the bottom of the box and select Open. And now we can see that all three of my files have been uploaded to my Zoom Recordings folder in OneDrive. You can rename your files to something more distinguishable by mousing over the files and selecting the three vertical dots. In the drop-down menu, we're going to select Rename. Now a rename box should pop up in the middle of your screen. So for example, let's say that this is a video recording of a lecture that I recorded over Zoom on March 30th, and I want to rename this file to something that's going to be a little more recognizable. So in the box, I'm going to type Lecture March 30th, and at the bottom of the box, I'm going to select Rename. And as we can see, our file now has our new name that is more recognizable, and we can easily pick this file out. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/zoomhelp.